Hello, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longze Machinery. Today I will introduce you our order for wood chipper and hammer mill export to Sri Lanka. As you can see, this is the drum type wood chipper. The model number for this is 216 with 55 kilowatts electric motor. And this machine capacity 5 to 6 tons per hour, and this machine fit with 6 meters input conveyor and 10 meters output conveyor. And this wood chipper suitable for many kinds of material like wood log, wood slab, wooden waste, and this drum chipper, inside it has an drum rotor, and it fit with 3 pieces of flying blade. So this machine can cut wood log into small wood chips size like 2 to 3 centimeters. This is the blade sharpener together working with our wood chipper, because the blade, the flying blade, after a long time working, like 3 to 5 days working, the blade will not sharpen. So we fit this blade sharpener so customer can sharpen the blade on time to make sure the machine in good condition working. Everyone, as you can see, this is our 75 kilowatts hammer mill, and this hammer mill together working with our drum wood chipper. This machine fit with 75 kilowatts electric motor, and the capacity for this hammer mill is 3 tons per hour. And as you can see on the top of the input hopper, there is an longer input, and that thing purpose can separate the heavy material like all kinds of steel, aluminum, and the other steel out from the top. So it has an automatic separation function for metals. And this hammer mill also working together with fan blower, cyclone, airlock, and dust collector.